one of the people na being attacked by our enemy. In Isaiah 54 verse 17, reference how God's bride, His church, will not be destroyed. The sovereign God who created everything also has the power to protect. He can promise that no weapon formed against you shall prosper. So whatever weapon is raised against God's people is destined to be destroyed. The Lord takes the weapon out of the enemies. God will allow evil to strike us, but God will not that evil to prosper. Okay? So instead, He takes this blow and transform it for His kingdom. Okay? So God is definitely and will definitely protect you and protect me from every criticism na naririnig natin, from every persecution na natatanggap natin. Indeed, that those tongue which rises against you and judge you shall condemn. If ikaw ay being attacked by your enemy or Satan is attacking our health and stuff, please remember that God promises it will not destroy us. We will have to endure yung mga bagay na yon. We will go through a process, but we will not be in chains, okay? We will suffer temporarily, but not forever.